Now it is.
Now it's on? Okay, well, I'm gonna do the cinnamon challenge again because we're bored as fuck. Watch me die. Don't laugh at me.
I'm gonna laugh.
Let me get this out of the way.
Yeah.
That's nasty.
That ain't cute. You're stupid. Just open the fucking thing.
It doesn't open.
Yeah, it does. You look. Hold this.
Oh my god.
Stupid. Jesus. Mira como mierda.
Shut up. That was so pointless. Okay.
Oops, my bad.
Oh my god, so much.
I'm not putting that much.
Okay, like that. Let's put, and then we push it down. Hold it. Look at the messy maple.
That's why they melted water. Get a cup of water or something.
No, drink from there.
I guess.
No, because I want to try to drink it. Keep dry. Okay.
You're gonna do it. You wanted to do it.
Oh my god, man. Now that I smelled it, it sucks. Fucking sucks. She was right in you. She doesn't care about doing this stupid shit.
Yeah.